guys. Good evening. How is your day today? Today is Sunday. It's a family day. I hope you'll be able to spend your time with your family. Family is very important, especially to those who has family. The aircon is so cold, that's why I'm wearing jacket. I'm wearing sweater. Me, I don't have family. I don't have parents anymore. I'm orphan already. And I'm away from home because I'm OFW. I'm working here in UAE. Although my parents died a long time ago when I was still young. I have brother and sister, but they already have their own family. I'm the only one who don't have family. Still single till now. Maybe my soulmate is not yet born with this world. Or maybe my destiny is to grow old alone. But I am happy being single. I have freedom to do whatever I want. Anyway, I just want to ask you how is your whole day, and I want to see have a good night's sleep everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.